This video discusses DoForm's signature capture capability. DoForms has a signature capture tool that can be embedded into any form that you publish. As you can see on the screen here, I have up a vehicle inspection form in which I filled out, and at the bottom it has two areas for mechanic's signature and a driver's signature. Each signature field has its own set of settings. You can make their signature fields required, which means that the user will not be able to submit the form until the signature is filled out, as well as turn off the Allow Edit option. If the Allow Edit option is turned off once the user signs for the first time, they will not be able to go back in and edit their signature at a later time. Signature fields can also trigger other events in your form. As you can see on the form that I have here, there is a date field next to my mechanic and my driver's signature. You'll notice once I click the sign button, it will pop up a little area for me to use a stylus or my finger to sign. And once I've signed, you will notice that the date field has auto-stamped right after the signature was created. You can set these auto-stamps to happen on dates, on times, or on any other field that you have inside of your form. Once you have both signatures captured, you can then submit the form and view these signature captures online in your View Data portal. Once the form is successfully submitted, you can see here there will be little view buttons next to each signature where you can click on and view the signature for that specific driver or inspector.